Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Shahzadi Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a physics class for class 9 students. My dear students, our today's topic, Chapter 2, Mathematical Problem, our lecture number 9 and SW number 8. My dear students, let's start our class. Today we will solve some mathematical problems for this chapter 2, motion. Here I given 6 mathematical problem and I will solve these problems now. Okay, number one, problem number 1, the velocity of a car is increased by 60 km per hour within 1 minute of starting from rest. What is its acceleration? My dear students, at first you have to memorize the 4 equations of motion. In our previous class I already discussed number 1 equation is formula V is equal to U plus AT. Number 2, S equal to V plus U divided by 2 into T. Number 3, S equal to UT plus half PT square, and number 4 is V square equal to U square plus 2AS. And from this based on this formula we will solve this mathematics today. Okay, here given in the question, given the velocity of a car is increased by 60 km within 1 minute of starting from rest. Here given rest, that means initial velocity is 0. Okay, here given given initial velocity u equal to 0, final velocity here given the velocity of car is increased by 60 km per hour. That means this is final velocity. Okay, so final velocity v equals to 60 km per hour, and 60 into, we have to convert this kilometer into meter. 60 into 1000 meter divided by hour, we have to convert this hour into second. Okay, that means 60 into 60 second, and by calculating we find this 16.67 meter per second. Okay, and here given also time, 1 minute, here time 1 minute, that means 60 second, and we have to find what is its acceleration. We have to find out the acceleration, that means acceleration is what. Now we will calculate this one. Number 1, see, we know here given u, initial velocity u, final velocity v, time t, and we have to find out acceleration. That means from the first equation, by this first equation we can solve this problem. Okay, we know v equals to u plus at. Okay, and again we know this a is equal to v minus u, v plus u, v minus u divided by t. Okay, and here given u is 0 and v is 16.67. 16.67 minus 0 divided by, here given t means 60. Okay, 60, that means 16.67 divided by 60, we calculating, we can find this 0.278 meter per second square. That means the acceleration is 0.278 meter per second square, and this is the answer. Okay, now come to number 2. Problem number 2, a car is moving with a velocity of 60 miles per hour. Suddenly its engine stops. It takes 5 minutes to come at rest. What is deceleration of the car? Here given rest. Okay, that a car is moving with a velocity of 60 miles per hour. That means this is the initial velocity. The initial velocity u equals to 60 mile per hour, and we have to convert this mile into meter. That means 60 into 1.6 60 into 1.6 into 1000 meter divided by 60 into 60 hour. We have to convert this hour into second, that means 60 into 60 second, and we know this is formula. You have to memorize this one also. 1 mile equals to 1.6 kilometer. Okay, 1 mile equals to 1.6 kilometer, and this kilometer we have to convert in meter, that means we have to multiply with 1000 meter. Okay, that means 1.6 into 1000 meter, and final velocity, suddenly its engine is stopped, that means final velocity v is 0. Okay, and time t is here given 5 minutes. So 5 minutes, 5 into 60 minutes, so you have to convert this minute into second, that means 300 second. And what is deceleration? What deceleration is what? And now we will solve this one. Number 2, we know A is equal to v minus u divided by t. Here given v is 0, okay, and u is given u 26.8, okay, 26.8 divided by time t, t is 300 second, okay. This is meter per second. A, what is the unit of deceleration? Meter per second square, okay, and by calculation we will find 0.089 meter per second square, okay. This is the deceleration, okay, this is the deceleration, that means this is minus, okay, this is the negative, it is called also the negative acceleration, okay. This is the answer. Okay, now come to number 3. The velocity of a bullet, is 1.5 kilometer per second. It has penetrated 10 centimeter of a wall. What is the deceleration of the bullet? Now given initial velocity, here given initial velocity is 1.5 kilometer per second, and we have to convert this kilometer into meter, that means we have to multiply it with 1000, okay, 1.5 into 1000 meter per second, here given second, okay, and it has penetrated 10 centimeter wall of a wall, that means displacement, here given displacement is equal to 10 centimeter. And we also convert this centimeter into meter, that means we have to divide by 100, 10 divided by 100 meter, okay, that means 0.1 meter. And deceleration is, we have to find out the deceleration is what, and final velocity we know, it has penetrated 10 centimeter of wall, that means the final velocity v is 0, okay. Now we will solve this problem. Number 5, we know, number 3, we know v square equals to u square minus 2as, okay. Here given final velocity v is 0, initial velocity 1.5 into 1000 square, it will be square, okay, and minus 2, we have to find out acceleration, that means deceleration, and is displacement is into 0.1, that means we have to find out this one, 1.5 into 1000 square minus 2a into 0.1 equals 0, okay. We have to find out a, that means into 0.1 equals to 1.5 into 1000 square, means a equals to 1.5 into 1000 square divided by 2 into 0.1, and by calculating we will find this one 11,250 0.000 meter per second square, and this is the our deceleration, okay. Okay, now This is answer. Now come to number 4. Velocity of an object uniformly increased from 20 meter per second and after 10 seconds it was 60 meter per second. Determine the acceleration. My dear students, here given initial velocity 20 meter per second and final velocity 60 meter per second and time t is given 10 seconds. And what is acceleration? And this is very easy. We already shown in this type of problem in problem 1, problem number 1. Okay, we know a equals to v minus u divided by t, and by calculating this we can easily find out the what is the acceleration. That means acceleration is 4 meter per second square. My dear students, now come to number 5. A car is moving at 54 km per hour speed and for 5 seconds an acceleration of 4 meter per second square was applied on it. Determine final velocity and how much distance would it pass when it was engaged in acceleration period. My dear students, here given initial velocity is 54 km per hour and we know that we have to convert this kilometer into meter. That means we have to multiply with 1000 and hour we have to convert this hour into second. That means 60 into 60 second. Okay, that means initial velocity u will be 15 meter per second and acceleration is given 4 meter per second square, time given 5 second. Okay, we have to find out the final velocity v and how much distance. We have to find out the distance also. Distance is equal what? Okay, my dear students, now we'll solve this problem. We have to find out the final velocity at first. Okay, now we know v equals to u plus at. Here given u 15 meter per second plus a 4 into t given 5 seconds. Okay, that means very easy calculation. 4 5s are 20. That means 35 meter per second. Final velocity will 35 meter per second, and now we have to distance. Okay, s, distance is again we know s equals to ut plus half a t square. That means u is 15 into t means 5. T is 5, half into a is 4 into t 5. Okay, that means 5 15s are 75 plus half into 4 into 25. That means 125 and it will be meter. The unit of distance is meter. Okay, so by calculating we will find this distance is 125 meter. Okay, and now come to number 6. The velocity of a car is 30 km per hour. After 1 minute, the velocity of the car becomes 50 km per hour with uniform acceleration. What is the distance travelled by the car in this time? My dear students, here given initial velocity 30 km per hour, and we know we have to convert this kilometer into meter and hour into second. Okay, that means initial velocity becomes 8.33 meter per second, and given also final velocity v 50 km per hour, and we will find 13.89 meter per second, and time given 1 minute, that means 60 seconds, and distance we have to find out the distance. What is the distance travelled by the car? Okay, that means s equal what? And we know we have to find out here given initial velocity, final velocity, time. That means we have to find out what is the acceleration at first. Acceleration a is equal to v minus u divided by t, and we all by easily by calculation we know we find the acceleration is 0.0926 meter per second square, and again we have to find out the distance. So we have to apply this formula, v square equal to u square plus 2as. My dear students, I am showing this calculation. V square equals to u square plus 2as. Here given as equals to v square minus u square, 2as equals to v square minus u square divided by 2a. Okay, now we'll put this value. V is 13.89 whole square minus U is 8.33 whole square divided by 2. A is 0.0926. Okay, by calculation we can find the distance is equals to 666.93 meter. My dear students, this is a big number, large number, so we have to convert this meter into kilometer. So we have to divide with 1000. Now it will become kilometer. Okay, and 0.66667 kilometer. Okay, and this is our distance. Okay, this is the distance 0.667 kilometer. And my dear students, this is problem number 7. Before lifting from the ground, a plane runs on a 2 kilometer runway with 10 meter per second square uniform acceleration. Calculate the time required to cover the runway. My dear students, here given, see, here given distance 2 kilometer and you have to convert this kilometer into meter, and acceleration to 10 meter per second square here given. Calculate the time, you have to find out the time. Okay, so do it this mathematics of your own. Okay, and SW, your today's SW number 8, and you have to do this all mathematical problem, all math. Okay, and submit on Saturday. Okay, my dear students, I hope you have understood our today's topic. Keep practicing at home properly and submit, do your SW regularly and submit regularly. See you again, see you soon in the next class. Allah.